Hey guys, Brandy here from Dave and Brandy's Excursions Travel, here with a little bit different video today. So right behind me, I have a whole mess of packages. And you're probably wondering yourself, Brandy, what's in those packages? Well, considering we have a cruise coming up very soon, and it's a specialty sailing for America's 250th birthday, why not do a Shein haul? I know a lot of you use Shein, as myself too, because it's affordable and there's some unique items that you can order there. So what we're going to do is open all of this up, take a look to see what we got, and maybe do a little try on. All right, stay tuned. All right, everything's unpacked. So we're going to start with the shirts. So obviously, this one's not one of them. I got this in Curacao when we went to Curacao in April. So let's try on one of the new shirts in 3, 2, 1. We'll see how the transitions go. But yep, I got a bunch of oversized shirts because you know what? Your girl's got boobs and she's curvy, so I want to be comfortable. But yep. I got a 250th anniversary shirt, and the shirt's super soft. It is so comfortable. I probably could have gotten the size down, but you know what? Like I said, I want to be comfortable. It's probably going to be a little warm, so I just want room to breathe. So here is the first shirt. So let's check out another one. All right, here's shirt number 2. And actually, got new jeans with these. I'm going to pan you guys down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. There we go. I could go like this. But yep, got this cute shirt. And being from the 80s, 90s, listening to Tom Petty, she loves Jesus and America too. So I thought this was a cute shirt. And along these American flag shorts, which are super comfortable as well. Like nothing in the back, but the colors of the American flag are actually pockets. So it's actually, they're real pockets. They're real deep pockets. So put it back up here. So yeah, shirt number 2 and shorts. All right, we're gonna check out the next one. Here's the next outfit. Well, the next shirt. I'm keeping the same shorts, the American shorts on, but a new top. I normally don't wear tank tops, but got this little one. It's flip-flops, fireworks, and freedom. That was cute, especially being on a cruise, you know. Got these cute little bomb pop earrings. And I've seen these caps on TikTok, and Shein actually had them, but they actually have the little ponytail loop so you can have your hair up. So yep, that's the next outfit. I'm not totally crazy about the tank top, but you know, it's still cute. I'm gonna wear it anyway, but just not crazy about the cut of the tank top because once in a while the bra strap pops out, and on the sides it does show my bra, so I have to wear like a black tank top or like a cami underneath this. So, but that's my only gripe about it. All right, let's go to the next shirt. And all right, yes, I'm turned around. So the next shirt, I was debating whether to get it or not, but I watched this movie when I was in my teenage years, and I had to get it. If you can read it here, I'll pan down a little bit, but I had to. And if you know which movie that is from, comment in the comments below. Believe me, every millennial and maybe late Gen Xer would know this movie. So, all right, one more shirt to do. It's not a 4th of July shirt, it's actually for 80s night. So stay tuned what I'm gonna be for 80s. Oh, I almost forgot. Got another set of earrings. Like, oh my goodness, I forgot to show them that. These little cute little drape American flag earrings. Probably should lift my hair up to show you guys, but yeah, they're cute too. All right, now let's go to the 80s outfit. And yes, I might look ridiculous right now, but it's 80s. Got my little, oh, stupid tracking won't let me show my scrunchie up here. But also, being a kid, growing up in the 80s into the 90s, one of my favorite shows were the Care Bears. And I was actually surprised when I was researching for 80s outfits on Shein. They actually have a Care Bear line. So I got the shirt with Cheer Bear on the front. And let me pan you down for the leggings. So, yeah. Isn't that neat? There we go. We're back. So yeah, got the scrunchies. There was a set. Let me find the set here of bright neon scrunchies. And Care Bear earrings. And to even show you guys, they come in a set. I think it was, my God, I should know some of these. I can't remember the ones that are on my ears right now. Can't remember the purple one. But I know the yellow one's Funshine Bear. I'll have to mark down the names of the other two bears. But the ones that I truly remember that were my favorites. Hold on. And to prove that it was one of my favorite shows, these are my original OG bears from the 80s. One has a little bit more love to it than Tenderheart Bear here. He's still in pretty good shape. Cheer Bear, which she's my favorite, on my shirt. Seemed like for some reason I gouged her eyes out. But yeah, these, yeah, even back here, you would say Care Bears on the little tush here. That's worn off. But yeah, now you can see it on Tenderheart's little tushy there. But yeah, that's pretty much the shirts part of everything. Now let's head on to the dresses that I got. All right, first up, Elga Night. So pan you down a little bit more. Just got a simple red dress. So what we're planning is, there we go. Dave's gonna be wearing a blue shirt with his red, white, and blue Jerry Garcia tie. It's been a while since he's worn a bun up and a tie, so we decided to do a little bit more upscale, I don't know, but dress up a little bit more for this one. And just got a red dress since he's gonna be blue, and yeah, just something simple. And this is so comfortable. I did originally get a red sparkly dress through Shein. It looked great in the photos, but how it laid on me, I did not like. And unfortunately, I couldn't return it back because it was a sale price, and I'll just probably end up donating it. So, but this is perfect. So we're gonna use this for Elegant Night. Then next up, since we're on an Italian themed ship, why not find an Italian style dress? This is actually gonna be worn for our anniversary. Our anniversary is July 5th, and we have a reservation for Il Vaggio, which is the Italian restaurant on board. And you know what? Why not go with the theming? It's another nice comfy dress. The only thing that might drive me up the wall are the sleeves. They're kind of long and droopy. I mean, they're pretty, but might drive me nuts after a bit, so. But yeah, dress number 2, and let's check out the next outfit. All right, here's outfit number 3. I say outfit because it's not really a dress. it's a romper. I thought this was nice and cute, and it's oh so comfortable again. But yeah, just I gotta find a good way to pin this area because it's a little loose up here, but yeah, it's casual, but yep, it looks nice. So that's it for the nicer outfits. Now we're gonna go to the bathing suits. I'm gonna try them on, so you guys be kind. All right, let's check out the first one. All right, here's suit number one, and you can almost get the idea already what it is. Right now, a little bit. Yep. Of course, you gotta have an American flag bathing suit for the 4th of July. So I originally got one suit from Shein, and it fit me, but for the whole boobular area, it did not agree. But got this one, and it fits perfect. It's comfortable. Still has some little coverage in certain areas, and yeah, I think it's really cute. And we're in Celebration Key for the 4th, so I'll be wearing it that day. And I also got a cover up. Got a nice little cover up for that. So yeah, that will work for a nice cover up. Walk around Celebration Key. And actually, during the whole cruise, actually. So, all right, guys, that is bathing suit number one. Let's check out the next one. All right, bathing suit number two, and back to the Italian theme. Got lemons. A lot of coverage for the bottom, and actually, bring you down. This actually opens up. It's a two-piece. There's a bottom piece I'm wearing, but this almost has the illusion of making like a bikini, kinda, sorta, with a skirt. So thought that was really cute. Bathing suit number two, and we're gonna go to our last one, our last piece of Shein. All right, and here's the last one. I saw this and I immediately thought of Half Moon Cave with this bathing suit because of the blues in it. And I actually absolutely love this suit. I think this is my favorite one out of all of them. Just, it's pretty. And I love how it's cinched on the side like this. Still has like the little skirt bottom, but I like this. Wish the other ones were kind of like that too, which maybe I can doctor that up a little bit, but yeah, I love this one. But this one will be definitely used for Half Moon when we go there, and we are super excited to see the new renovated Half Moon. We absolutely love the old Half Moon, so we're excited to check out the new one and see if it's any better than the original. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this little different video for the channel. If you liked this type of content, just let me know down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'm excited to try these on for the cruise in a week and a half. And since I do order a lot of items from Shein, I figured might as well just be with the affiliate program, right? I know a lot of you do order Shein for cruise wear, so figured I'd get on the bandwagon. I do have a code. I have to look at it. It's Q47MY. So you can use that when you check out your Shein order, and it kind of helps me out too in the long run. But I'm going to try to build that up. It's not fully set up yet. But I'm going to set up what I've been ordering, what I like. Kind of looks like a closet in a sense. So I'm going to try to build that up to show you guys. All right. Thank you so much. And we will see you on the next excursion and see you on the Venezia, July 1st. Bye, guys.